Preview. Sorry sound for copyright issue. First step. Go to Video in Video Description. Copy link the video. Go to Google. Search is this TikTok video. Go to first link. Paste video whose you linked. Download. Without watermark. Video downloaded. Back go to TikTok. Click template. Use template. Select video whose you download. Select own picture. Video ready. Export. Export without watermark. Second step. Go to sound in my video description. Use this sound. Upload video whose you edit. Go to sound. Original sound off. Go volume. Added sound to 100. Next. Post. Thanks for watching video. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.